Hello viewers, this is Mahmoud Rahman Sifat and you are watching True Trick. Today in this video I will show you how to hide any folder in Windows without using any software. By this you can keep your files secure and private, also protected with password. Before I start, I would like to say if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel right now. Suppose you have to log these two files. So for this you have to right click here, click new, click text document. A document file will be created. Open this. Then you have to put the code on it. I will provide the code link in the video description box. Simply click on the link and you will get this doc file, and you have to copy all the text from here. I'm copying it. Then you have to paste into the text file. Then you have to find a line, if not &pass &= your password here. This is the place where your password should be. So choose your password. I am putting a sample password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Maintain a space before and after the password as I am showing on the screen. Maintain this. Then click on file, save as, and name anything you want. Only you remember to make extension .bat. You have to put the name with .bat extension. Then save it, and now you can close it. You see there is a new file. You can delete it now, and the new file you have to open it, and a locker file will be created. This is the folder. This is the folder where your personal data will be kept. So I am copying these two files, cutting, then paste it in the folder. And to hide this folder, open this file again, and now it is asking us for that, are you sure you want to lock the folder? You have to press Y for yes and N for no. I am pressing Y and then hit enter, and you see the folder is hidden. It is not visible to normal users. And again, to access this you have to again open this, and now it is asking for the password. I am putting my password, then hit enter, and it is back again. Here are your files. So this was the easy process to hide any folder in Windows. And if you helped by this video, then like the video, share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel to get more tricky videos like this. Thanks for watching.